Hi friends, this is Bilal Heather and this is the 26th video lecture on Unity3D C# programming. In this video we are going to actually talk about Unity UI. And what this UI is, it's basically user interface, and it provides several things which we can use to create very awesome menus for our games. Okay, so when you play a game, you see something like this, a menu like this, where you have your video game name. You have a cross button at the top, at the corner. You have some play buttons. You have some other buttons which you see on your games when you start playing them. Okay, so what in this video we'll create a very simple menu, and later on when we'll move forward, we'll create very awesome menus just like you have seen in that photo which I just shared with you. Okay, so for now what I have done here, I have created a new folder called menus, and under that I have created a new scene and I saved that scene under menus folder. Okay, so let's go ahead and before we actually go and create any of the things from here, I must tell you that everything we draw, whether it's a button, a slider, a scroll bar, a drop down menu, an input field, some text, some image, anything that is drawn on this canvas game object. Okay, so this is a special type of game object which has a special type of transform component to it, and it also has a canvas component, a canvas scaler script, and a graphic raycaster script. Don't worry about all of this. We're just going to create a panel on top of it, and now under this panel we will create some buttons. Let's create some text, and let's give it a name. Let's say 3D balls game. So this is our game name. Don't worry about how bad it looks. Okay, don't worry about that. We'll make very awesome menus later on, so don't worry about them at this point of time. Don't worry about that. So this is our game name, and now we'll create a button on top of it, and we'll call this button play, and we'll also rename this button to play. Now we'll right click on our panel, and we'll also create another button, and we'll call it options. And yeah, for now that's enough, and let me rename my panel to main menu. Okay, game name. Okay, so what we have done here, we have actually created a canvas game object, which is a special type of game object which is used to create menus, in simple words. Okay, and under that we have created a panel, and inside the panel we have created a text. We have added this text game object, and we have given it our game name. We have also created two buttons, and we have changed their text which is written on them by going to their text game object, text children basically. Okay, so we have created this very simple menu here, which actually does nothing at this point of time. And we can actually we can select these and select all of them all together and rearrange them just like we want. Okay, so this was pretty much a very simple video about how you create menus. And in the next video part we will actually go ahead and create some more buttons, and we'll create some more menus like this options menu. And when we will click this options button, a new menu will open up, and that will be our options menu. Okay, and we'll do this by writing some code for us. So make sure you watch my next video. For now, this is all. Take care, bye bye, and have fun.